In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to restore your deleted messages on Messenger, what you need to do is to open the application. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screens. Then click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on account settings. Once again scroll down and click on this download profile information option. Click on continue. Now click on this settings icon. Scroll down one more time and click on this download your information option. Tap on request a download. Select your Facebook account and click on next. Click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted messages, therefore you need to select this option messages and click on next and then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, within the next 24 hours, a file containing your deleted messages on Messenger will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted messages on Messenger will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.